shouldn't know. I got secrets.
Good morning, Stephanie Kammerman, the Stock Whisperer, here with today's Daily Dark Pool Whisper for Wednesday, October 7th, 2020. It's been a wild week on Wall Street so far. I don't know if today's going to be as wild. Usually when we have a big ATR day, from low to high on this candle, all right, usually the next day is boring, but you never know. This is 2020. I don't really think we have boring. But we're going to be bullish above 338. Yep, if we can break above here on the SPY, room to go up. The downward trade, I picked 335 below the 8 EMA. Why did I pick that? Well, the biggest dark pool level, 335.24, 17 million. So if we go below that, if somebody tweets something, yep, that would be the level. Let's go to IWM. And we are going to be bullish above 158.75. We're coming up to that right now. We do have an upthrust candle from yesterday, by the way. Oh yeah, upthrusting the big 160 level, high volume. Today could be a test day to see if they can push it up on less volume. If it fails and we close weak, that would be a bearish topping pattern. If we don't, then it won't. So keep an eye out for that. We will be bearish below 157 for a day trade. The QQQs. All right, big level yesterday, 280.45. 5.3 million. We are below that. That means they really actually sold this day. The Levi level was yesterday coming in all day. Yep, so that is a big level to watch for swing trading. Yep, if we close above 280.50. However, for day trading, we're going to be bullish above 277.50. And we will be bearish below 275.50. Let's head on over to the futures. Start with the E-minis, bullish above 33.80. And again, we have that 50 simple moving average. And this will affect the SPY. So if you're a SPY trader, you definitely want to watch the pivots and the volume coming in on the E-minis. Bear below 33.55. Let's go to the NASDAQ futures. Bullish above 11,360. Bear below 11,300. All right, let's head on over to the oil futures. Yeah, we have a little bit of an upthrust action. A little bit on the daily chart. We were above 40 and now we're below 40. 40 big level that the oil traders keep an eye on. We'll be bullish if we go above it again, 40.06. But you can see we've really been in this tight channel. So for a breakout in the big picture and breakdown here, but we can certainly day trade it up and down along this channel all day long. We'll be bearish below 39.60 for today. Let's head on over to the 5-minute. All right, let's go to gold futures. Yep. Yesterday's tweets definitely sent gold into a tizzy. Yeah, right. No stimulus. Dollar went up. Gold went down. We'll see what happens today, but that is the pattern. So keep an eye on that. If they announce stimulus, gold will most likely go up. Today for day trading, bullish above 1900. Key level, bear below 1885. Yeah, if we do go down, most likely come down to this dashed purple line, which is my simple 120 simple moving average. It's amazing. If you don't have that, go ahead and put that on your chart. And by the way, today in the trading pit, I will be presenting at 11 o'clock, and I'll be teaching you how I combine futures with stocks and ETFs, and of course, the dark pool. So stay tuned for that. If you can't make it live, it will be recorded, but you have to be a training pit member. All right, let's go to individual stocks. Tesla, we're going to be bullish, and thank you, Paul, for mapping this one out. Bullish above 421, and we are going to be bearish below 415. Pretty tight range, but this, look where it is. If you see where it is on the daily chart, it's stuck Yup, in some traffic. The 4, the 8, I see a simple 20 in there. So yeah, is it going to go up or is it going to go down? And that's why we have such a tight range between the bull above and bear below today. All right, let's go to GLD. GLD came up and hit its head on the 4 EMA and the 8 EMA. Yep, this is going to be a brick wall until it can break above it. Bullish above 178.50, that's why I went higher. And also the 5-minute chart. We do have these guys, the 200 simple and exponential there, that also serve as a brick wall. So bullish above there, and then we're going to be bearish below 160.50. All right, let's go to Boeing. Boeing, lots of volume this morning, and again, I'm looking for a break above here. This is my bull trade, bullish above 166, and again, I'm looking at the 5-minute chart. I'll be teaching you about this tomorrow in my all-day live workshop. I know a lot of you are signed up for it. I'm going to teach you all my secrets to mapping these out. We're going to be bearish below 160. Lots of room below there. Now, I know airlines have a lot of volume this morning, but I'll be honest with you, I didn't like the trade setups. American Airlines stuck in between all these moving averages. Delta stuck in between. Now, if they break out, yep, I would take the trade, but I don't want to map out something that's not great for you. You know, JetBlue, watch JetBlue. We're hitting, we hit upward resistance right here. So we'd really have to break above. You know, there's like a small trade right here. I just didn't really love anything. So when I don't love it, I don't put it on the whisper. All right, so let's look at PLTR. Bullish above 1050. Yeah, so Palantir Technologies, new IPO. We don't have too much background on this one on the chart, but it does have a lot of volume. It has a penny spread right now, and there's a nice trade set up above 1050, except there's a little resistance at 1060. There's a Camarilla, and then clear skies ahead. Bear below 10 for a retracement trade. Okay, let's go to DKNG, DraftKings. Yep, already hitting targets. Yep. This one is bearish. Yeah, for first time in a long time. We've been riding above the 4 and the 8. Yep, for a good month and a half, looks like. And we're finally below it. So we have a change of trend happening on this stock. Bullish only above 56. That was earlier when we were higher. Yep, for a retracement trade. Right now, if I was going to take a retracement trade, hold on. Let me just see if there's any major level here. 55. Yeah, I would choose the 55 level now if it started to move up. Yep, there's some space here. 55 to 56 and change if it does that. If not, I wouldn't do it. Again, it's all about being able to map out a new trade. That's the secret to being a financially independent trader. So bullish above, well, it's 56 in the whisper, but I would enter at 55. Bear below 54. We've already hit, oh boy, all of our targets actually. Oop, I gotta get new targets for you guys. Yeah, so you can see there's a lot of room below 52, all the way down to 48.53. We'll most likely come down to 50 and bounce, and then if we do break below 50 again, that would be our last target. That's how I would trade that if you want to trade DraftKings. Okay, let's go to AMD. AMD. Bullish above 86, bear below 84.50 for AMD. Microsoft. Yeah, I love the setup. If it can break above the 8, there's a nice trade to the upside, and if it breaks below 206, trade to the downside to the 100 simple, and to the upside that 50 simple moving average. All right, Apple had some big prints on it yesterday. Did you see those? Whew, 1.3 million, another 1 million, a half a million. Somebody was printing Apple yesterday. Bullish above 115.50. Bear below 113.50. So there you have it. Those are your whispers for October 7th. Until next time, happy trading.
No thinking that's my secret. Gonna keep it my secret. My secret.